the Nasscom product Conclave, we've met many product entrepreneurs. Now here's an exciting product called Gecko, and we have Bahubali Shette, founder of Connovate. So tell us, what's Gecko all about?
Gecko is a Bluetooth low energy product which goes with your iPhone and high-end Android phones. It can make your smartphone smarter. That's the tagline basically. So basically what it does is you need not take out your phone to do a lot of things. You can actually use Gecko has built-in gesture recognition, so you actually can make some gestures.
It's really less than pocket size. It's really
yes.
Yeah, much less within your palm.
Yes.
But Bahubali, you didn't exactly set out to build a product when you entered the Internet of Things space. So
Correct.
was this like a conscious decision to move into a product market?
We started building the IoT as a platform first, and one of the products is Gecko. We built a couple of other products for our customers who is now part of Connovate, in the sense we are bought out recently by a company called Benetton, a Hubble, and there where we have developed a solution for baby monitoring.
Okay.
And that is using completely the IoT framework which we have designed and built.
But is it something that you see that when you develop a product, that's when you really, as a startup, you get noticed? So is that like a really important thing for a startup?
Definitely. Without
the
product, I think the visibility will not be there. You won't have the same visibility if you don't have a product, and particularly if you don't have a consumer product.
Right. What about Gecko itself? The manufacturing, does this happen here in India?
No, it happens in China.
Okay. It's much easier as people always say?
It's definitely much easier in terms of scaling, in terms of price, in terms of timeliness. Definitely much easier to get it in.
So is there a lesson out there that when it comes to, because you have a Prime Minister who says make in India, so why would you not make in India as of now?
I'm really looking for it. To be honest, I tried quite a bit to get it done here in India.
Okay.
But
what was the biggest challenge?
The ecosystem doesn't exist. Say, to do such a small product, I need to get a PCB done from somebody, I have to get the plastic done from somebody, and the component sourcing is not very powerful here. The network is not great. The person who does the PCB doesn't even know who does the plastic, and sourcing is completely a big mess there.
Whereas vis-a-vis China,
I just go give it to one company who does a Bluetooth product. I say, this is what I want to do. You won't believe within a week everything is set up.
Gosh, all the things they say about China and its
I think the way China works is basically because of the ecosystem, and make in India should happen that way.
What would be your advice for startups who are really startups starting out? What are the things that you did that you think they shouldn't?
I wouldn't,
Everyone
advise.
makes their own mistakes.
Yeah, definitely. It's everybody's mistakes are different depending on their product, their industry, their market knowledge,
still
and everything.
Some advice on some learnings that you have had that you would want to share with people?
My greatest learning was trying to do it in India, but I wouldn't say that now because Prime Minister is talking about make in India. So I hope things will get better and things will change faster.
Yes,
it's difficult, really difficult for startups to do some things in India.
Okay.
There are big, electronic manufacturing companies in India, but they wouldn't even look at startups. That's the biggest challenge.
I think you've given us quite a bit of a reality check. Thank you so much, Bahubali, for joining us today.
Thank you.